Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Christmas makeup tutorial, but not just any Christmas makeup tutorial. I was scrolling through Instagram a couple of days ago and I came across this picture right here. I'll put it on the screen. It's this really cute, festive, and fun makeup tutorial. I'll definitely put the girl who originally came up with this idea down in the description below. I think it's super creative and it just looks super cute. So I'm going to be trying to recreate this today. The only thing that I can see going wrong with this is that I don't have green or red glitter, so I would have to substitute that with a silver glitter, but it's fine. So yeah, it's just a red eye look with a Christmas hat on this side and then a green eye with a Christmas tree. So if you would like to see me try and recreate this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so once my makeup is all removed, I'm going to start off with the eyes just because this look does include glitter, so I don't want to obviously do my face makeup and then get glitter all over that. I'm going to actually do the brows first because it is a video tutorial and that's what she does first. So I'm going to go ahead and with my brow pomade and just fill in my brows like I normally would. Okay, so now that my brows are all filled in, I'm going to carve them out with concealer because that's what she does next. And as she's carving out her brows, she kind of uses it as an eyelid primer as well. I'm going to be going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6. So after she primes her eyes, she goes ahead and starts with her eyeshadow. I'm going to be starting with the red eye first. Throughout the video, she uses the Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm just going to be setting this concealer with this shade up here. Then I'm going to be taking the darkest red in the palette right here and putting that right in my crease and really making sure to pack it on because we are going to be cutting the crease later. And I'm also doing the red side on the right and the green on the left. So once we have that red shade really in the crease, I'm going to be then going in with this lighter red and kind of going right above that and blending that out a little bit more. And then going back in with that red on a tinier brush. This is the Y18 brush, and really just putting it right in the crease. So now that we really have the red packed on there, I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease using the same Makeup Revolution concealer that we used to prime our eyelids. So now once that concealer is all put on there, I'm going to then put the glitter on while the concealer is still wet. I'm going to be going in with the NYX glitter in the shade 10. So now that we have that glitter set on there, I'm going to go back in with the red shade from the James Charles palette and put that right on the outer corner to kind of blend them together. Then I'm going to be going in with the black shade from the James Charles palette and just kind of line my outer V. So now that we are somewhat done with the red side, I'm now going to move on to the left side. I'm basically going to be doing the same thing, taking like a darker green right in the crease, blending it out with a lighter green, and then putting that NYX glitter after cutting the crease right in the middle. So taking this dark green shade on another Y18 Morphe brush and putting that right in the crease. Then I'm going to be taking the same Makeup Revolution concealer and cutting this crease. And again, taking that NYX glitter. So then when I am done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with makeup remover and kind of just clean on my under eyes and get all the fallout of the glitter. And then I'm going to be taking the red on the waterline of this eye and the dark green on the waterline of this eye. And it looked like she popped a little bit of black eyeliner in her waterline, so I'm taking a black pencil liner and kind of tight line. And then taking the black again on the top of the outer corner right here, like I did on this side. Now that my eyes are completely done for the most part, I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild paint pot to kind of create the little drawings that she has above her eyebrows. So on the red side, I'm taking that white paint on a kind of pointed end brush, and I'm just going to be taking that right above my eyebrow and just kind of creating just a line for now, just so we can see where the Santa hat is going to go. Then I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild paint palette and going in with this red down here, and I'm using more of like a angled kind of brush to really get the curve of the hat. So just drawing a curve like that and then flipping your brush and going back the other way and then just filling it in. And I'm then going to be going back in with the white paint and kind of creating just like a little dot on the outside right here. And then taking that same Wet n Wild paint palette and going in with this green right here. I'm actually going to be doing it on an angled brush just because I find that the easiest. And you're going to start by doing a line right above your brow. Allow enough room between your brow and the line to create like a little brown stump for the tree. Honestly, to me, this tree is the hardest part of the whole look, obviously, because I can't even like draw a Christmas tree, let alone on my face. Since this is just face paint though, you can go in and kind of erase whatever you don't like and just start over. And then I'm just going to be going in with the brown shade right here in the James Charles palette and just kind of creating a little tree stump. And then for the star, I don't have any like yellow paint, but I'm going to be taking the white and kind of creating a circle right at the top and then going over that with the yellow shadow at the top there. Now obviously that is not a star, it's kind of just like a dot. If you wanted an actual star, you can get like a sticker or like a stencil or something. Then taking another makeup wipe and just kind of going back over with my face because there is still lots of glitter. Then I'm going to be going in with lashes. These are the Salon Perfect Cluster Lashes. And I'm going to be using the Duo Brush On Lash Adhesive. Okay, so now my lashes are on and I'm going to be going in with the CoverGirl Blast Pro Plumpifying Mascara. So the look is basically finished. I'm going to be doing my face makeup off camera and then I will see you guys right after. So I'm now done with the rest of my face makeup. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I hate all lip colors or any lip color on me, including this one, but I just feel like it's suiting for the look because a super bold eye with no lip color just kind of looked weird. So I decided to add a red lip. This is the CoverGirl Melting Pout in 120. But yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below which side is your favorite, the red side or the green side. I think my personal favorite is the red side. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this in the future because I have a bunch more vlogs coming out for Vlogmas. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love all of you so much and bye guys!